Hello everyone, the following is the introduction of our product, Portable Level 2 Charger Type2 plug 32A 3-phase charger with red plug. It has the following characteristics: Portable EV charger, red CEE plug, 3-phase 32A 5mm length, Humanized design with a good grasp feel, easy to use, various accessories. Available protection cap include damping cap, metal string cap. The plug and socket termination type is wire crimping. Application for high voltage connection of car charger, high voltage distribution box, motor controller, air conditioning. The above is a brief introduction of our products. If you have any questions, you can send an email to consult us. Thank you.